Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how I use Speech Recognition Cloud to transcribe spoken Tagalog into text. Let's get started. First thing is to open your text editor, then open Speech Recognition Cloud. Now let's do the live dictation. I'll speak Tagalog and you'll see how the app transcribes it. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Gusto kong ipakita sa inyo kung gaano kadali gamitin ang Speech Recognition Cloud sa pag-transcribe ng ating mga sinasabi sa wikang Tagalog. Maraming salamat at sana ay makatulong ang munting tutorial na ito sa inyong proyekto. As you can see, Speech Recognition Cloud has transcribed all the words correctly.